Good morning everyone. This is Standard 6 Science video number 2. In this video we are going to discuss about the water cycle. Okay, first of all, what is water cycle? Water cycle is defined as the continuous movement of water from the earth's surface and water bodies as water vapor to the atmosphere and from the atmosphere back to the earth's surface as a rain, hail or snow. Okay, that it means that the cyclic movement of water from the atmosphere to the earth. Okay, and this cycle maintain the supply of water on land. Okay, it has four stages. Okay, that the evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. We will discuss all the four steps one by one. First one is evaporation and transpiration. Okay, water from the water bodies such as rivers, sea, ponds, lakes, stream takes heat from the sun and goes into the air in the form of water vapor. Okay, large amount of water vapor enters in the atmosphere through transpiration by plants also, that we call it loss of water from the leaf. Okay, and second point is the formation of cloud by condensation. Okay, the process of condensation in the nature plays an important role in the formation of clouds, and the warm air can hold a large amount of water vapor as we go high up in the atmosphere. Okay, as we move high up in the atmosphere, what happen, the temperature decreases. Okay, the temperature decreases. Okay, and it becomes cooler. At a greater height the air becomes so cold that the water vapor in it condenses to form tiny droplets of water. Okay, and these water droplets floating in the air along with the dust particles forms a cloud. Okay, here you can see the cloud is formed here. Okay, now the third term is called precipitation. Okay, you can see the word precipitation here. Okay, water droplets comes together to form huge water droplets. Okay, some large water droplets are so heavy that the air cannot hold them. They therefore fall down as a rain. However, if the temperature is very low, the water droplets freezes in the air and fall as a hail or snow. This coming down of water in the form of rain, hail or snow is called precipitation. Now the fourth one is back to the ocean. Okay, what is inside the back to the ocean is that the water that falls on the land as a rain flows in the form of river and stream. Snow from the mountains melts into water which flows down from the mountain in the form of stream and river. Ultimately, the water of the stream and the river falls into the sea or an ocean. Okay, and some of the rainwater seeps into the ground and become available to us as a ground water. This all about the water cycle. Okay, now we are moving towards the evaporation. Evaporation, you have observed many things that when we spread wet clothes on a rope on a wire, they dry up after some times. Where does the water in the clothes go? Okay, astonishing. The water present in the wet clothes evaporates when it receives heat from the sun or when it receives air to form water vapor. Okay, and this water vapor goes into the air, so when all the water present in the wet clothes evaporates, the clothes dry up. Okay, the process of changing water that is liquid form into water vapor that is gaseous form is called evaporation of water. Okay, Now we will observe, okay, what happened due to the evaporation of water. Okay, that in evaporation of water, water spills on the floor, dries up and disappear. Okay, water from wet road, puddles and rooftop of our houses dries up and disappears. Okay, salt is obtained when the water from the sea is left in the shallow pits. The sea water evaporates, leaving behind the salts. And we will see some of the factor affecting evaporation. What are the factor affecting evaporation? That increase in the surface area. Okay, the larger the surface area, faster is the evaporation of water. Here it is written. Okay, increase in the temperature. Okay, evaporation increases with the increase in the temperature and vice versa. Okay, now decrease in humidity. A rate of evaporation decreases with humidity in humidity in air. Okay, now the factors affecting evaporation due to the wind. Increase in the wind speed. On increasing the wind speed, the particles of water vapor moves away with the wind, so amount of water vapor decreases in the air to increase the rate of evaporation. Okay, what are the application of water evaporation? That cooling effect. Okay, during evaporation, okay, during evaporation the particles of the liquid absorb the heat from the surrounding to regain energy lost, and this absorption of energy from the surrounding make the surrounding cold, like desert cool better in a hot dry day. The water kept in the earthen pot becomes cold during the summer season. Okay, to wear cotton clothes in the summer. Okay, this is the also most important thing. The water kept in the earthen pot becomes cool during the summer. We are able to sip hot tea, milk faster from sauces rather than the cup. Okay, and in drying clothes you can see it clothes dry faster when the rate of evaporation is high, but in the humid atmosphere the clothes do not dry so fast. So we will see the next important points in the next video. Thank you very much.